Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can add a credit or debit card in Google Wallet. So let's jump right in. First, open the Google Wallet app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in with your Google account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard. From the home screen, look for the option that says Add to Wallet and tap on it. You'll see several options you can add to your wallet at the top. Tap on Payment Card. This will take you to a secure screen where you can enter your card details. Now, type in your card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Below that, enter the cardholder's name exactly as it appears on the card. You'll also need to provide your billing address, including your country, street address, city name, and postal code. Once all the information is filled out, scroll down and tap on Save and Continue. The app will then begin verifying your card details. Once the verification is complete, your debit or credit card will be successfully added to your Google Wallet, and you can start using it for secure, contactless payments.